Let's solve this question. If 3 dice are rolled simultaneously, what is the probability that the sum of 3 numbers turned up is even? So 3 dice are simultaneously rolled. I need to find what is the probability that the sum of these 3 numbers turned up is even. So let's just consider this is the first dice, this is second dice, and this is the third number on the third dice. So total possible cases of sum of these 3 numbers would be on first dice, let's just assume if I get only one even number in all 3 rolls. So one is even, second is odd, and third is odd. So the sum would be odd plus odd I know is even, and even plus even is even. Now when I get 2 even and 1 odd, so odd even plus even is even plus odd is odd. And when I get all 3 as even, sum would be even, I know. And when I get odd, all the numbers as odd, the sum would be odd plus odd is even plus odd is odd. So I can see there are only 2 possible outcomes for the sum of these numbers, which are even and odd. So I can say out of the total sums that are possible, I would get either even sum or the odd sum. So I can say half of the sums would be even and half of the sums would be odd. Yes, because all the numbers are equally likely. This dice is not biased. So if I roll this dice, I can say that sum that are possible, that is even and odd sums are possible. So even sums are half and odd sums could be half. Why? Because all these cases are equally likely. So I can directly say that even sum, the probability of these sums to be even would be 1/2. That would be half. Or I can just calculate the probability or the number of favorable outcomes. Total outcomes I know. Total outcomes for the numbers on these dice. Is 260. Favorable outcomes are when sum is even. That is first case when all 3 numbers are even. So even numbers are 3, 3 and 3. This is 27 when all are even. Plus there is a case when sum is even, when one number is even and 2 numbers are odd. When plus second case is when 1 is even and other 2 are odds. In this case, this is possible. On die 1, I get the even number. On second, I get odd, and on third, I get odd. On first, I get odd. This is even. This is odd. And last case is when I get odd on first 2 and even on last dice. So this case, even are 3 numbers, odd are 3 numbers, and odd are 3 numbers. So 27 numbers are there. For this also 27, for this also 27. So 27 plus 27 plus 27 would be how much? 81. And 27 cases when all are even. So total number of favorable outcomes are 81 plus 27, that is 108. So probability would be favorable case out of total cases would be 1/2. Or we can just reach to the answer just by observing that sums possible are even and odd, and these are equally likely or occur equal number of times. That is, in 2 cases I get even sum, and in 2 cases I get odd sum, and all the numbers are to happen equally likely. So the probability of getting sum as even would be 1/2. So correct answer to this question is option A.